Gone Camping, a novel in verse by Tamira Will Wissinger and illustrated by Matthew Cordell. Provisioning. Late night, house bright, everybody packs tonight. Summer, here. Trip, near. Mom and Lucy check our gear. Map out, plan our route. Dad named me Chief Camp Scout. One more, final chore. Duffel Mountain near the door. Next day, no delay. Campsite, we are on our way. Packing list. Tent, poles, stakes, hammer, rope, grill kit, food, bucket, soap, sleeping bags, canoe, canteen, lantern, duffel bags, sunscreen, fishing gear, first aid kit, 4 campers, 1 car. Tight fit. All checked. Going camping, said by Sam and Lucy. We'll set up camp, go hiking, catch our bait. We'll build a blazing fire, stay up late. We'll cool off by the lake, we'll barbecue. We'll fish with Mom and Dad in our canoe. Tomorrow's almost here, hooray! Hooray! We're going camping in a day! Nighttime critters. Camping in the tent sounds fun, until it's time to sleep. That's when nighttime critters chatter, shadows twist and creep. The tent is one big room, without a single place to hide, but Mom and Dad will save us if a critter crawls inside. Shake awake, said by Lucy and Sam. Jump up, shake awake. Let's head to the lake. We're ready to go. No time to be slow. The sun's about to rise. We made breakfast too. Surprise! Surprise! Change of plans. Read by Dad, Lucy, and Sam. Achoo! Achoo! What's that? A sneeze? Achoo! 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 Who's sneezing? Is it allergies? Achoo! Achoo! It's me, kids. I'm too sick to camp. I need to stay in bed. Mom will stay with me, and Grandp will go with you instead. A trick. This must be a trick. Dad is never ever sick. The tent? No Mom? No fair. We won't be safe without her there. Say it isn't true. We won't be going camping without you two. Super duper. Although Dad didn't mean to be, turns out he's a super duper camping party pooper. Good to go. 1, 2, so much to do. Where'd I leave my other shoe? 3, 4, behind the door. They've never asked me to camp before. 5, 6, fiddlesticks. I'm almost out of candy mix. 7, 8, I'm running late. I don't want to make them wait. 9, 10, I'm done, amen. Good to go, kids, just say when. Be brave, Lucy. I really wanted Mom along. I'd feel safer with her nearby. But leaving Dad alone is wrong. Be brave, Lucy. At least you can try. Grandpa, pros and cons. I don't think Grandpa's ever fished, canoed, or camped before. He putters, owns a radio, and rarely goes outdoors. But Grandpa's funny, shares his candy, drives, can barbecue. Maybe we'll still have fun without Mom, Dad, or the canoe. Okay, and that's where we'll leave off. Stay tuned for more.